Hey and welcome back to another Blender tutorial. In this video I will show you how to quickly and easily create this simple trash can using basic modeling techniques. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, press Shift A and add a cylinder. This will be the base shape of our trash can. Now press G, then Z and move the cylinder slightly upwards so it's easier to work with it. Next press Tab to enter edit mode. Here we can start modifying the shape. Select the top face, then press X and delete it. Now hold Alt and left click on the bottom edge loop to select it. Then press S to scale it slightly inward. This gives the trash can a bit of shape instead of being perfectly straight. Next press E to extrude and move it down a little. This creates the bottom thickness of the trash can. Now we will add more detail to the mesh. Press Ctrl R to add loop cuts. Scroll with your mouse wheel to increase the numbers of loop cuts. Around 6 cuts works well here. When you're happy with your cuts, right click to keep them centered. Next we will create the holes. Make sure everything is selected except the bottom faces. Press F3 to open the search menu and type poke faces. This adds a point in the center of each face. Now press F3 again and search for triangles to quads. This helps clean up the geometry and creates a nicer pattern. For the final step, press F3 again and search for wireframe. Make sure you selected the face option, not the viewport display option. In the panel that appears, adjust the thickness value to give your trash can some depth. Now press Tab to go back to object mode. Right click on your model and choose Shade Smooth to make it look nicer and less faded. And that's it. Your trash can is finished. If you enjoyed the tutorial or learned something new, feel free to leave a comment. And let me know what you like to model next.